What should I do? ¿Qué debo hacer? This is a three-word phrase. ¿Qué, meaning what, and it's used in questions to ask for information. Debo, coming from the word deber, which means should or must. In this case, debo means I should. And hacer, this verb means to do or to make. Putting it together, you get ¿Qué debo hacer? What should I do? Let's hear it in a sentence. No encuentro nada. ¿Qué debo hacer?
Tal vez deberías intentar algo diferente.
¿Cómo qué?
Algo que realmente te gusta hacer.
Again, the phrase is ¿Qué debo hacer? What should I do? Let me know in the comment section below. ¿Qué harías si no podrías encontrar trabajo? And if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next one. Adios!